Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. So stock number one is Indus Towers on the daily chart. This is nothing but a triple bottom pattern. If you have studied candlestick patterns, you must be knowing that this is a sign of reversal. So this is first bottom, second bottom, and currently price is really going higher after testing the support level for 3 times. Along with that, the volume activity is quite decent. We have seen 3 consecutive bullish candles from the support level, which is a sign of confidence and strength from buyers. I'm going to zoom out the daily chart and I'll try to draw a line. This is nothing but a trend line. Can you see how beautifully and perfectly all the highs are testing the resistance level, which means that there is some meaning behind this level or this line, and the level is above 192. If we see strong breakout on the back of long range bullish candle number one, number two, and rising volume activity, and number three, the most important thing is after the breakout above 192, the daily close should be above that. If you see a wick on the top end, which means that the breakout happened on the back of weak buyers, and we might again see price taking resistance at 192 and falling to the lower level rather. So this is what it is. Talking about the immediate target, I do feel the round number level of 200 is going to act as a strong hurdle for the stock, but again the same rules applies over here. If we see strong closing above 200 on the back of surge in volume activity, the sky is the limit. The stock does have strong fundamentals and price can keep on making case of higher highs and higher lows, and we might even see what is the lifetime high that is way off, but the level of, let me draw the horizontal line, somewhere around 250 rupees is not out of reach. So there is a lot of excitement about this particular stock, and I do feel that we might see a lot of buying coming through at the lower level. We are going to finish it off with Sun TV. On the weekly chart, the high which was established almost a year ago at 555 rupees. If you look at the closing, this particular candle closed somewhere around 516 rupees, which means there was strong sellers over here. Currently, the recovery is shaping up from the round number of 400 rupees. Thirdly, I'm going to draw a well-known breakout pattern called inverted head and shoulders pattern. Within this pattern, look at the buying activity right from 400 rupees. Buyers are slowly but surely navigating whatever selling pressure is there in the stock. And most important thing of note here, the previous high was 555. I should say high back in 2021. Currently price has closed above that high at 552 rupees, which means there are strong buyers present right at the breakout level, which in turn can stimulate other buyers sitting on the sideline, and the level I'm looking at, I should say, immediate resistance level is around 600 rupees. So just wait for the breakout with rising volume activity and long range bullish candle above 550 rupees, and this particular stock can go parabolic in no time.